Chapter 10. The Office of the Prosecutor General. Article 158. The Office of the Prosecutor General is autonomous. It is headed by the Prosecutor General of the nation, who is elected by the Board of Supreme Prosecutors. The term of office for the Prosecutor General of the nation is 3 years, and it may be extended for another 2 years if re-elected. Members of the Office of the Prosecutor General enjoy the same rights and prerogatives and are subject to the same duties and legal incompatibilities as their counterparts in the judicial branch. Likewise, their appointments are subject to the same requirements and procedures as those of members of the judicial branch within their respective categories. Article 159. It is the duty of the Office of the Prosecutor General 1. To bring a lawsuit, ex officio or by private complaint, in defense of the legal order or public interests protected by law. 2. To watch over the independence of jurisdictional bodies and the fair administration of justice. 3. To represent society in legal proceedings. 4. To conduct criminal investigations from their initiation. To that purpose, the National Police is obliged to enforce the orders of the Office of the Prosecutor General within the scope of its authority. 5. To institute criminal proceedings ex officio or by private action. 6. To give an opinion prior to judicial orders in cases set forth in the law. 7. To exercise legislative initiative in law-making and inform Congress or the President of the Republic about legal loopholes and errors. Article 160. The budget draft of the Office of the Prosecutor General is approved by the Board of Supreme Prosecutors and submitted to the executive branch. It is sustained before the executive branch and before Congress. Chapter 11. The Office of the Ombudsman. Article 161. The Office of the Ombudsman is autonomous. State bodies are obliged to cooperate with the Office of the Ombudsman whenever it requests their help. The structure of the Office of the Ombudsman at the national level is set up by law. The Ombudsman is elected and removed from office by the Congress with the votes of 2/3 of the legal number of members, and enjoys the same immunity and prerogatives as congressmen. To be elected Ombudsman, a candidate must be at least 35 years of age and an attorney at law. The term of the office lasts 5 years and does not receive a binding mandate. He possesses the same incompatibilities as the justices of the Supreme Court. Article 162. It is the duty of the Office of the Ombudsman to defend the constitutional and fundamental rights of the person and the community, and to ensure the enforcement of the state administration duties, as well as the provision of public services to citizens. The Ombudsman submits a report to Congress once a year and whenever the latter requests one. He may initiate legislation and recommend measures to facilitate the improved performance of his duties. The Office of the Ombudsman submits its budget draft to the executive branch, which must be sustained before the executive branch and before Congress.